Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you an important topic, Chitra Lekhanam. Chitra Lekhanam means picture writing. Okay, children? Listen here. What you have to do is, you see this picture, understand the concept, then you see who are all there in this picture, then what are all the things around this picture, then you make a sentence. Okay, children? See here, what the picture is about. A boy and a girl are going to school, right? So this is the entrance of the school. A boy is going to school. Okay, children? Then what you have to do, you have to see for the clue box. In every picture writing, they will give you a clue box. In that clue box, you can see some words, some noun, some verb. Okay, children? By compiling the noun and verb, you can make some sentences in English, right? Likewise, you have to do in Sanskrit. Okay, children? See the picture, understand the concept, and now you see to the clue box, Manjusha. Okay, what are the words given here? Gachami. What does it mean by Gachami? Gachami means I go. Okay, children? Gachati, gachataha, gachanti, gachasi, gachataha, gachatha, gachami, gachavaha, gachamaha. Okay, children? That means gachami, I go. Aham gachami, I go. Then Vidyalayam. What does it mean Vidyalayam? Vidyalayam means to the school. To the school. Okay. Vidyalaya shabdaha dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Vidyalayam iti rupam. Okay, children? Then Mitrani. What does it mean by Mitrani? Mitrani means friends. Mitram, Mitre, Mitrani. Mitram means a friend. Mitre means two friends. Mitrani, three friends, many friends. Okay, children? Then Gachanti. Gachanti means are going. Okay, they are going. We say in English, right? For that we have to use this word Gachanti. Then the next one, Api. What does it mean by Api? Api means also. Okay, also. In Sanskrit we say indeclinable, avyayam. Api is an avyaya. The meaning is also. Then the last one, mama. What does it mean by mama? Mama means my. Okay, children? Okay, now I will say one sentence in English. Will you translate the same into Sanskrit, children? Can you do that? Okay. What is the sentence I am saying? This is my school. You say that in Sanskrit. This is my school. School means Vidyalayaha. My, mama. This is Yeshaha. So, Yeshaha mama Vidyalayaha. You can easily write, this is my school. Yeshaha mama Vidyalayaha. Okay, children? Then you can make another sentence. I am going to school. How can we make in Sanskrit? Aham, I am means aham. Going to school. Vidyalayam gacchami. Aham Vidyalayam gacchami. So now you can write two sentences, right? Yeshaha mama Vidyalayaha. Then the second sentence is Aham Vidyalayam gacchami. Okay, children? Then mama mitrani api Vidyalayam gacchanti. What does it mean by that? My friends are also going to school. My friends are also going to school. Okay, children? Likewise, you see this Manjusha clue box and you have to make another two more sentences so that you can able to do 5 sentences in Sanskrit. Okay, children? What you have to do is, I will give you one homework, but you can understand this, right? This concept, right? Likewise, I will give you one more concept. I will give you one more picture that you have to do, children. Okay? Listen here. Okay? See the picture, children. What you have to do? First, you have to see the picture. Then read the heading properly. You have to read the heading properly. What is the heading given here? Chitram drishtva manjushayaha padani chitva dve vakye likhata. Okay? What is meant by that? Chitram drishtva, by seeing this picture. Manjushayaha padani chitva, taking words from the clue box. Dve vakya likhata, you have to write 2 sentences. What is the meaning? Write 2 sentences by seeing the picture with the help of clue box. Okay, children? So you can see the picture now. What is happening here? It's very raining. A boy and a girl are playing. Okay, children? They are making some paper boat, then they are playing with that. Okay, children? So you understood the concept. Then what you have to do? You have to go for the clue box. See here, this is called clue box. In the clue box, they have given 4 sentences. 4 words. What are the words? Varshanti, balakaha, meghaha, khelanti. Then what you have to do? You have to get the proper meaning for the clue box words. Okay. What is my varshanti? Varshanti means raining. Balakaha means boy and girl, boys and girls. Okay, children. Then meghaha. What is by meghaha? Meghaha means clouds. Then last one, khelanti. Khelanti means playing. Okay, children. So here is the example. Meghaha varshanti, balakaha khelanti. You can make simple sentences like this. You have to extend the sentences by using your own words. You can use 1 or 2 words from own in this sentence. Okay, children? Can you understand this concept? Thank you, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Dhanyavadaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.